What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're in the garage again doing a new review and a product install that I didn't realize I needed it, but when I looked at the pipes in the back, it definitely needed some work on something, so check it out. All right, guys, so we're here with the bike, 2019 Street Black CVO. So what I was looking at, and this has been on for a while, and until I really looked at the pipes, if you really look at it, it's not really centered correctly. The pipes are not really centered correctly, and that is due to a piece that's connected right above the pipe, right in here. See that? Yeah, we're gonna correct. So as you can see here, I'm gonna show you guys. I got KROME WERKS, first of all, which the best pipes out there performance-wise. Check it out. I could put about 2 fingers in there, this is kinda, it still could go a little more to the right. And now look at this side. You could barely fit a finger. So I just realized that this is not centered. As you can see, this one's flowing way to the right. And this one's kinda centered, but it should go a little more to the right. This one goes a little more to the left. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix that with this new product that I got through my boy, that he mentioned it to me and I saw it on his bike. So these are the connectors that go on top of the mufflers, so you can wiggle it left to right. See that? Check it out. So these, I'm gonna show you guys the install on this, very simple. I got these from Amazon. They were about 29 bucks. As you can see there, it says stretch bagger adjustable exhaust brackets for Harley touring. All right, so I'm gonna link the link below so you guys can check it out, buy it, fix it, or check if you're having my situation that it's not centered. And little things like that, they bother me. So here we go, install time. So the bracket that I was talking about goes right there. These are gonna replace these ones that come with Harley. So with this, you see how this one doesn't have any play? You bolt it on and that's it. So with these, you can move it that way, this way, that way, this way. So it's gonna be more on the swivel side, so you guys can adjust the pipes to make sure you get the right right level on that. All right, let's get the install. Alright guys, you might want to loosen this up right here at the end of the pipe so you guys can wiggle it around a little All right, guys, we just finished the installation on those brackets. Wow, what a difference. Not even gonna lie to you, that thing worked amazing. Look at this. Now, let's do the measures. So here before, remember guys, we could put 2 fingers. Now we can actually put 3 fingers. So it leveled it out as close as possible as center. You know what I mean? It's not gonna be perfectly because, you know, you don't wanna bend the arm brackets of the pipes. So remember this one, guys? I couldn't even fit 1 finger. Now I could fit nice 3 fingers, even more. So now it's very, very straight now, right in the center. Looks good. Both are looking great. Now it's not gonna bother me, so definitely recommend it, guys. Take a look at your pipes and make sure they're aligned straight. I'm gonna put the link below, like I said, so you guys can buy those brackets. Very easy install, very, very easy install. All right, guys? Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. Make sure you guys subscribe, guys, if you guys want more videos. I know a lot of you guys are not fully subscribed, so make sure that you do subscribe. It only takes a button to hit. All right, guys, peace out.